Good afternoon, all of you. Good afternoon, students.
Afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So, how are you all? Fine? Good and fine?
Yeah,
Yes,
good and
ma'am.
fine.
Well and
Okay,
fine.
children. Okay. So, here I am showing you one image on my screen. Are you able to recognize this image?
School garden.
Yes, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
This
Our
is
school
Of
garden.
school
Yeah,
garden.
this is our
very
school
good.
garden.
Yes. So, you can see your school garden now. Yes. So, which thing you like most favorite thing in your school garden?
Ma'am, flowers.
Flowers.
Ma'am, flower.
Mom, flowers.
Okay, okay, that's a very nice thing. You like the flowers. Why you all like the flowers
Ma'am,
only?
because
Can you
they're
say?
Mom, because
beautiful.
they're
Because the smell
attractive
is
and
so
mom colorful.
beautiful.
Yeah,
Okay, very good. So they are attractive, they are colorful. That's why we like the flowers. Okay,
yeah.
and they are giving the positive energy and positive vibes
Yes,
also,
ma'am,
as
yes.
they are very colorful.
Yeah.
Okay, children. So let us first of all, I have one question which I want to ask to you all. That let me know about which is your favorite flower. Okay, let me know. Let us see that whose flower is favorite.
Ma'am,
Okay, which
jasmine.
flower is favorite for whom? Okay, so I have shared one link with you all. Okay, and
Yeah.
I want to open that link. Okay, children, I want you all to open that link, and meanwhile I'll also present it on my screen. Just a second. Yeah, it's there. And I'm getting the answers also. Yes, you children are very quick, very pro with these technologies. Very nice. Okay. So the
Yes,
lavender,
ma'am.
sunflower, hibiscus, rose, jasmine. Very good. Nice. Done. I'm appreciating that you are writing the answers. Those who have not written it, please kindly let me know now which flower is your favorite one. Okay, good. So sunflower, lotus, jasmine, lavender, white rose, hibiscus, and everyone is writing sunflower and hibiscus only. Okay, because you have
Yeah.
seen that in the picture. Okay, fine. Okay, children. So, dear student, with this, are you able to understood which topic we are going to study today? Anybody?
Ma'am,
Any guesses?
maybe, ma'am, after flowers. So I guess we are going to study flowers, about flowers only.
Okay, children, fine. So today we will start exactly, Lavina. Today we are going to start a topic that is related with the flower, and today we will enter inside the flower also. Okay, we will see what is there inside a flower. Okay,
Okay,
fine,
ma'am.
fine, children. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So before we are going to start, I want to share something with you all first. Okay? Yes. So let me have a look over here. Okay, children, give me a second of a time. Let me insert my pen quickly. Okay. Now, just a
Yes,
second of
ma'am.
a time. Meanwhile, you people will going to be tell me about what are the different parts of a plant. Quickly. Yes.
Ma'am, like it's
Parts
the
of a
flower, the
Ma'am,
fruit,
flower, bud, stem.
Mom, flower,
ma'am,
stem.
flower,
okay,
bud,
okay,
Mom,
okay.
fruit,
stem,
Yes,
leaves,
Ma'am,
yes, yes,
fruit,
yes.
leaves,
stem.
roots.
ma'am, one
Okay,
is the
okay,
root system
children.
under the ground and one is the shoot system above.
Very good. Yeah, this is the way, dear. Very good. First, you have to tell me about root system and then the shoot system.
Ma'am,
Okay?
root system is like the roots of the plant which is under the ground and not visible.
Yeah.
And shoot
Yes.
system is the above part like the stem, leaves, fruit, bud, etc. Flower that is above the ground and can be seen is the shoot system.
Yes. Yes. Very good. So that is the shoot and that is the root. Okay. So here we are going to study about the flower. So in which part they will come, shoot or stem? In which part
They
they
will
will
come in
come?
shoot.
Shoot system, exactly. Yes. Okay, children. So here I have one more picture for all of you. Let me see that whether I am having it. Yes, I am having it on my screen. Okay. So what is this?
Ma'am,
What is
hibiscus.
this?
Hibiscus
Ma'am,
rosea.
hibiscus.
Yes, very good. Which flower is this? This is the hibiscus rosea. Commonly, it is known as the China rose.
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, children, inside the flower, we are having some stuff. Some parts are there. What are they? Okay, let us do one by one. Children, the flowers are attached with the help of a stalk. You know this name of the stalk. It is known as the pedicel. Okay, this is known as the pedicel. Pedicel is attached with a cushion-like structure. You can see here a cushion is there, comfortable cushion. This is known as the thalamus. Okay, why this comfortable cushion is there? The reason behind that is comfortable cushion is basically inside it or over it we are having the ovary. I will tell
Yeah,
you
yeah.
what is this ovary, but let
Ma'am,
me
it's the
first of all.
shelter. Thalamus is the shelter for ovary.
Yes, very good. You got it right. Okay, children. So inside it, we are having this green color also. You can see these green color are known as the calyx. Okay, this is known as the calyx, and the another name of calyx is also known as the sepals.
Sepals.
Yes. Now you can see these colorful petals. Yes or no? Are you able to see these colorful petals?
Yeah.
Is it
Yeah,
visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Corolla.
Yes.
Ma'am, these are also called corolla.
Very good. These are combinedly known as the corollas. And what is the other name of it? They are known as the petals.
Petals.
Understood?
Petals.
So
Yeah.
two things are there which we have seen. One is the corolla, another is the calyx. Understood this much, dear? Let me know quickly.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes.
Clear.
Okay, now let me go to the next part. After that, dear student, okay, let me change the pen color. We have two things over here. One is known as the gynoecium, okay, and one more is there which is known as the androecium. Actually, the androecium will come first of all, then the gynoecium will come, okay. Androecium will come first, then the gynoecium. So children, androecium is consist of two things. One is known as the anthers and the another are known as the filaments. Now give me a second, I will show you inside the diagram also. Okay, let me pick the red color. Children, inside this tube, you will find out, okay, this tube-like structure, it is known as the filament. It is attached, you can see this attachment also. These attachments are known as the anthers. Okay, children, got it? Are you there with me?
Yeah,
Hello?
yeah, ma'am.
Are you there with me?
Ma'am, we are
Okay,
there.
fine. Yes, fine. Children, actually, I want to share one more video with you all, and after this, I will share with that. Okay, so that it will help you to imagine it very nicely. And if you are having a flower around you, as I asked you to arrange one flower also, if it is there with you, so you can take it in front of you, and then you can understand. Okay, fine, children. Yeah, I am having that video. Let me play it quickly for you people so that you will understand it nicely. Okay, 1 minute. Today, actually, my mouse is not there with me. Yeah, 1 second. Yes, it's there, almost there. Yes, it's taking a 2 minutes to load, then I will share it with you. Okay, understood, children? So, what are the anthers and filaments? They are the androecium, and combinedly, they are known as the stamen. Got it? Got it? Now, yes or no? I need your responses. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, got it. Now coming to the next one, dear children, after that, let us come to the gynoecium. Inside the gynoecium, three things are there: stigma, style, and the ovary. Three things are there: stigma, style, and the ovary. Okay, there the ovary word is coming over here. Stigma is basically this region. This region is known as the stigma. Okay, style, inside the filament, you will find the style. Inside the filament like this, you will find the style, and in the end, you will get the ovary. Okay, which is protected by a cushion-like structures, which are known as what? What? Cushion-like structure. Right now, I told you they are known as what?
Ma'am, 1 second.
Yeah?
Ma'am, 1 second.
Okay, you will collect the answer. Okay, you will collect the answer. Okay, now look at out this video, students. This is a very nice 3D diagram which I am sharing to you all. Yeah, see. Now, okay, now let us import it. Yes, look at here. Now you are able to see the sepals. Yes, children.
Yeah.
Yes, children. Yes. So these are known as the sepals and these are known as the petals. Okay, got it? Got it, student? The petals are the colorful things and these, the green color things are also known as the sepals, as well as one more word is there. Who will going to tell me that word? Yeah, tell me quickly.
Ma'am, overa.
Oh no, child. Sepals. One more word.
Sepals.
See
Ma'am,
something.
sepals. Calyx.
Oh,
See something.
calyx. Ma'am, calyx.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. This is known as the calyx also. Yes, very good, dear. Okay, got it now? Understood this thing?
Yeah, got
Yes.
it.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
And another name of petal. First time.
Ma'am, corolla.
Yes, Lavina shared that thing first time. Yes, corolla. Very good. Now you can see this thing I am discussing with you all. Yeah, let me maximize it. Okay. Now this thing you can see, these are the yellowish part which are known as the what? They are known as the anther.
Yeah, ma'am.
Understood,
And
children?
filament.
Yes, they are attached with the filament. Clear? Now you can see I will rotate
Yeah,
it
ma'am.
one more time. See, sometimes, dear student, petals are alone also and petals are fused also. Sometimes are there, you can see in this flower. Let me move it to here. Yeah, you can see the petals are fused. In here, you can see the petals are separated. So sometimes it may happen in some flower because the diversity is there all around. Petals are fused also and petals are free also. Okay, got it? This thing? Understood this much? Okay, now
Yes, ma'am.
children,
Yeah, ma'am.
okay, I'm happy that you are able to understand everything. Now, children, let us move again to the next thing. Okay. Now, see, some flowers are known as the complete flower, and some flowers are known as the incomplete. Incomplete flower means in that only one reproductive system is present, either the male or the female. Okay, and some flowers are known as the complete flower in which both the things are there. Male reproductive system is also there and female reproductive system is also there. Okay.
Can you tell
Yes,
the
ma'am.
male reproductive?
Yes, Eunice, you are asking something.
Ma'am, I'm saying that can I tell the male reproductive system name?
Yes, Eunice, you can tell me. Sure.
Ma'am,
Sure.
male is ma'am androecium, and ma'am for female it is gynoecium.
Okay, fine,
Ma'am, may
dear.
I ask something?
Yes, dear, you can go ahead.
Ma'am, for example, you said that there are incomplete flowers also, which has either male or female reproductive system. So, can you tell me the name of any flower which is having only one reproductive system, like name
Yes,
of an
yes,
incomplete flower?
yes, dear. So the flowers basically of the family of that gourd family. You know, the gourd, Loki, and that like that family. Gourd family is there. Okay, and the cucumber family is there. So in these
Yes.
family flowers, only one type of pumpkin act. Very good example of pumpkin also. Okay, so one type of reproductive system is there. You can notice either male or female. Okay, I don't have the flower right now, but I will share the picture with you all for that so that you are able to recollect. Okay, if you have that flower in your surrounding right now, you can bring it here. Okay, and you can
Okay.
share it with us. Okay, children, understood this much? Everyone got it?
Yeah.
Clear
Yeah,
in your
ma'am.
mind?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am, it's
very
clear.
good. Now, children, I want to share one thing with you all. See, I have made up I want to share the sequence with you all. Okay, in which sequence actually they are arranged inside the plant. Okay, I want to share that sequence here. Okay, now look at here. First of all, inside a plant we are having what? Okay, let me share it with you. Is it visible? Let me know.
Yeah, ma'am, visible.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
So first of all,
Clearly-
it is
Clearly visible.
yes,
Sepals.
yes. First of all, it is the sepals. Now let me go ahead with it. Okay. Yes, give me a second. Give me a second. Yes, 1 minute, dear student. I think it's getting inside. Yeah. Now look at here. What is this? Let me
Corolla,
know.
petals.
Petal. Corolla. So first is the
Corolla.
calyx. Next is the corolla. Very good. Now
Yeah.
let me come to the next one. Yes. Let me move to the next one. Yeah. What is this?
Ma'am, this is
Ma'am, androecium.
Androecium. Very good. Androecium. Children, 1 second. 1 second. Okay. Let me connect it with again. Okay, children. Now coming to the next one. Look at here. What is this?
ma'am,
What is
gynoecium.
this? Gynoecium.
Style and ovary.
Yes, very good. So you are able to notice the sequence. What are they? Number one is calyx, then
Number two
corolla,
is corolla.
then
Third is ma'am,
Androecium. Androecium.
androecium.
and
And
Ma'am,
what is
androecium, and ma'am then
Yes.
gynoecium.
ma'am, style and ovary.
Yes, very good. So children, let us now dissect the flower. Okay, I have one video for all of you. So I think that it's very fruitful. Okay, I have recorded that video and I have actually included that video in the Tata class edge so that I am able to show you right now. So here I am playing that video. Let us do the dissection with the video itself. Okay, so you all ready with the flowers? Keep it ready and let's do the dissection. Okay, children? Okay, children, fine?
Yeah, ma'am, yeah, fine.
Okay, fine. Now I play it, and while playing, I have to keep myself on mute. Okay, children? Now, let me play. Hello, students. So, as I told you, today we are going to do the dissection of flowers. So, here I am taking a few flowers with me inside the lab. So, children, I hope that you all are now ready to do the dissection. Please keep a flower with you also so that you can do simultaneously it with me. Okay, children? So, before we proceed, here I want to let you know about few things which we require. Of course, it is not available in your home, but the things which can arrange inside your home, you can bring that. Okay. So, first of all, we need a board. Okay. Then we need a paper, a white paper. Instead of board, you can use your study table also and use a white paper over it. Place it over it. Then we need this tweezers. Kindly arrange this tweezer. You will get it in your home also. It's a very fruitful thing. Okay. Then we need this magnifying glass. It is not maybe available in your home, but what is the usefulness of it? I will tell you later. Okay, children. Now, apart from that, we need a petri petri plate also. Okay, and the water. So let's begin it. And don't forget to have a flower with you. Okay, children. See that. If you want to dissect a flower, what you need? First of all, a flower. As I told you earlier also. Fine now. Now we need to take a little cut over at the lower side. Now you can use the blade, and I better suggested to use the thin knife. Okay, children. So with the help of a thin knife, this is actually a surgical knife which I am having in the lab. So I'll put a cut over here, a little cut. Okay, so that this portion will get out. Okay. Now let me remove it from it. Yes. See, like this I have removed this portion. Fine, children. Now, if it is not visible, then let me use the magnifying glass for you people. So, where are the anthers and where are the filaments? Now, look at here. You can see this beautiful yellow color type of things on that flower. Okay, these are known as the anthers. Look at here. Look at here. Let me close it. Fine, children. I hope you are able to see it. Okay. Now, let me take. I have to remove it. Then let me take. First of all, a few drops of water on a petri plate. I'll keep it here like this on my table. Fine, children. Here I will keep so that my paper not get wet. And let me, with the help of this tweezer, let me drop it inside the water. Children, we can also use the brush also. If you just keep a wet brush on this pollen, then what will happen? You will find out some yellowish color of pigment or yellowish color of pollen over here. Okay. Now, see, you are able to see I have taken out a few anthers here in my petri plate. Okay, children, look at here. These anthers are actually the bilobed shape. Okay. I want to take one in my hand, and with the help of magnifying glass, I want to let you know. See, is it visible? Any anther, if it is visible to you, it is very good. You can see they are actually the bilobed structures. Okay, children, bilobed structures. Bilobed means which are having two lobes in them. Now, dissect the ovary also. Actually, ovary is very tiny. Okay, children. So, let's see that how much level we are getting inside. Right, my kids? Okay. So, first of all, we need to remove these calyx. Okay, these calyx, that is the sepals. And if they are not able to remove it with the help of this thing, you can even use the scissors also. Okay. Scissors or the surgical knife you can use. Fine, children. In your home you don't get a surgical knife. You can use a normal knife. Fine. Yes, see that I have removed everything. Very good. Yes. Done. Okay. Now you can see very nicely. Now you can see the thalamus. Okay. Where it is. Now I want to show you with the help of it. See, you can hear the cushion-like structures is there. This is the thalamus region. See. Okay, children. Now, for the dissection of ovary, we need to make a cut. Okay. Actually, we will do the cut with the help of this knife. Okay. But what I am thinking right now, okay, let us do with the help of tweezer. Okay, let's see that. Because they are very delicate, I don't want to get hurt. So that we are able to get all the content inside it. Fine, children. See. Now, I think we need to zoom. Oh my God. See, it's so beautiful. 1 minute, dear student. Yes. Okay, yes. See, why I'm opening it in this manner, the reason is that I want to let you know. Okay. Now you can see. You can see the small little tiny some particles are there. These are known as the ovules. Okay children, you can observe these things. Is it visible now? Yes? Right. Okay students, so I hope that you are able to understand with the help of a video that how we can do the dissection of flower. Okay?
Yeah,
Okay children? Okay. So what we have dissected first of all, now you can give me the answer now quickly. What we have taken out first of all?
Ma'am,
They are
calyx.
the calyx. Very good dear. And after that,
Ma'am,
what we have
calyx,
done?
sepals.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, corolla.
Ma'am,
Yes,
then corolla. Ma'am, corolla.
And after that,
Ma'am,
androecium.
androecium, and ma'am, after that, gynoecium.
Very
Yeah.
good.
And
So
then in
children,
the end, we have taken out ovary.
yes. So children, look at out this. This is the final result which I have pasted on a board. Okay. So children, you will also take the white paper and you also keep your all the things on the board and label it. Fine. So you can see these colorful things. These are known as the petals. As the corolla. Fine. See that I have arranged them. How many petals are there in the flower of the hibiscus? How many they are? How many they are?
Ma'am,
looking
maybe
like?
Ma'am, 5.
seven.
Ma'am,
Five.
5 to 7. Ma'am, 5 to 7.
Yeah, ma'am. Some
Five.
plants have
Yes.
like more and some have
Okay. In this picture, how much is it visible for you all?
5.
Ma'am, 5.
Ma'am,
Yes,
5.
of course. Yes, dear. So you are right. Some in 5 also, and some in 7 also, and some are fused also. In this, basically, they are separated.
Yeah.
So taking out them is very easy. Fine. Now, coming to the next one, we are having here these green color things. These are known as what, dear children? These are known as the sepals. Very good. Now, look at out this image also. In this, what you are able to see?
Ma'am, phlegament and ma'am, anthers.
And
Phlegm
in,
and
okay,
Androecium.
children. Yes, inside
Yes,
the
ma'am.
inside
Hey,
the
ma'am, inside
anthers.
they have
Ma'am,
stigma.
stigma and style.
Stigma and
Stigma
stigma.
and
Children,
style.
okay, fine. Inside the anthers, I want to let you know about this thing also. We are having the pollens. Okay, pollens are also there. They are the yellowish kind of thing. Pollens are actually very tiny. That's why it is not visible here. And if we want to see the pollens, then we have to take the pollens and see it under the microscope. Okay, because they are very tiny. Okay, children. Now coming to, you know about the microscope now, all of you. We are using
Yeah,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am, microscope.
Yes.
Microscope.
Okay. Very good, children. We have seen the cells also. You people remember plant cells?
Yeah. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes,
You showed
yes.
us, yes.
Okay. Now coming to the next one, that is the stigma and the style. Okay.
Style.
These are known as the stigma, and this is your style region. Okay. These are known as the thalamus and the ovary. Understood this much, children? Got it?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Everything is clear? Okay, very good. Now,
Yeah.
now coming to the last, okay, children. Now coming to the very interesting thing over here. After this, I have shared one link with you all. I want to share one link with you all. This is your Padlet link. Okay, children. Let me share quickly in the chat box. This is the link for the Padlet. I want you people to do the dissection and please paste your photo over here. Okay, children, got it? Understood? Yes or no?
Yeah, ma'am, got it. Ma'am, actually, I have made the same
Yes,
diagram as this picture. While seeing this picture, I've made a diagram. So can I upload that also?
Yes. Upload the diagram. Okay,
Yeah, one
outside the
second.
students are okay. Okay, children. Okay, let me open one thing for you all, which I want to share that thing. Okay, let me open it. Fine. Yes, you can share, dear. If you have drawn the diagram by looking at the dissection, yes, you can share the diagram also. And if you people are having the flower in your surrounding anywhere, you can paste that also. I'll see. Okay, but everyone has to do it. Fine, children.
Yeah, ma'am.
Fine. Now, in the last, look at here. This is a concept map which I prepared for you people to finally cover the concept, all the things. Okay. So, what are the children? Look at here. See, we are having 4 things. One is known as the calyx. Another is known as the what? Now, you people speak. Come on, quickly. Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
What are the 4 parts of a plant? Now, tell me quickly.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it's
corolla,
calyx,
calyx, gynoecium, and
Androecium,
androecium.
gynoecium, and
Yeah.
corolla.
Yeah, ma'am.
And
Corolla,
Yes.
calyx.
calyx, gynoecium, and androecium.
Very good. So calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. Androecium and the gynoeciums are there. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, ma'am.
calyx is basically to protect the flower in
In the bud condition. Bud
Yeah,
condition.
ma'am.
Yes, very good. It will protect the flower in the bud condition. Okay. Now coming to the next one. What is the role for the corolla here?
Yes.
Yes.
Corolla is the petals. Beautiful
Yeah,
part.
ma'am.
They are
Group
very
of
beautiful
petals
part
on
of the plant.
corolla.
And
And-
beautiful part that attract.
Attract whom? They will attract the. They will
Us.
attract the
Insects.
us also, and insects. Why
Yeah,
they want to
especially
attract the
butterflies.
insects?
Ma'am,
Why they
butterflies.
want to? Why? Come.
Ma'am, because they have a sweet smell and inside they have a liquid.
Okay. Have you heard about the pollination? Have you watched the pollination? You know about the pollination? Bees are doing the pollination. Butterflies are doing the pollination.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So basically, they are for the pollinations. Okay, pollination purposes. Okay, children. After that, we are having the gynoecium and the androecium. In the gynoecium part, which things we are having? Let me know quickly.
Ma'am, in the
Ma'am, in
genus.
gynoecium, ma'am, we are
is given
having
by-
stigma, style, and ovary. Stigma,
Yeah,
style.
ma'am.
Very good. Stigma, style, and the ovary. Okay. What in the androecium we are
Ma'am, in
having?
gynoecium, we are having
Anther and
anther and
filament.
filament. Yeah.
Very good. Anthers and filament are having. Okay, children. So I hope that you have uploaded the photo over there. I have received one
ma'am.
photo.
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am.
So let me share that one photo with all of you. See, Sanvi has prepared the photo here. Very good, Sanvi. She has done the dissection in the classroom. So good, Sanvi. And I want all of you to
Yeah,
do
ma'am.
this right now. Okay,
Okay,
children?
Yeah.
Okay, children. Okay, fine, dear students. Have you all understood it?
Yeah,
Got
ma'am.
Yeah,
it?
ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Everything
Yeah,
got
ma'am.
it. And ma'am, the videos that you have made in the science lab were so nice that I got
Okay,
everything.
Lavina. Okay, fine, dear, fine. Okay,
Yeah.
children. So let us conclude our class with this. Okay, children.
Okay. Okay. Bye, ma'am.